Introducing the 2020 Subaru Outback. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a sure-footed Outback that delivers versatility, comfort, and peace of mind. The sky's the limit on every adventure in this down-to-earth companion. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated and/or cooled front seats, moonroof, all-wheel drive, sun moonroof, keyless entry, backup camera, fog lamps, lane keeping assist, satellite radio, keyless start. Indulge your adventurous side in this well-equipped Outback. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.